Tutorial 6, the maintenance map. Introduction. The maintenance map is a unique feature of the app Moptimizer which enables to quickly define the logistic model of the considered system. Easily visualize the elements of the maintenance infrastructure according to their geographic location, and easily access essential data related to the maintenance of items and maintenance sites. In this tutorial, we will learn how to efficiently create, edit, and benefit from the maintenance map. When a new project is created, the maintenance map is by default located on the right side of the window, but can be enlarged by dragging the splitter, or unlocked by double-clicking on it. In the default maintenance map, a single site is defined, and is indicated by the single green box. The name and quantity of a site can be edited by double-clicking on it. Let's rename it Operational Site, with quantity 1. In general, double-clicking on an icon of the maintenance map opens a dialog that is related to this icon. We will review this feature later. In this site, there are currently 5 icons. The Repair Site icon, the Operations Site icon, the Removal Assembly Site icon, the Supplier icon, the Stock Site icon. The meaning of the present map is that the block currently selected in the grid, the subsystem A, is being operated at operational site, removed and assembled from its parent block at that site, repaired, and stocked at that site, and that the supplier of the block item is also located at that site. Let's modify this map by adding some sites and maintenance objects. Remember that the maintenance is always directly related to the selected block and the grid. The elements of the maintenance map can be added through the Maintenance Objects toolbar located on the bottom of the interface. Let's move the supplier to a distinct site. For that purpose, we create a new site called Supplier Site,
and then drag the supplier icon from Operational Site to Supplier Site. Note that the supplier provides spares for all blocks with all items with this specific part number. In a similar way, let us create a distinct repair site.
In order to remove an object, simply click on it and press Delete. Now for the maintenance map to be completely defined, sites have to be connected by transportation means. On the Maintenance Objects toolbar, click on the bi-directional arrow, and then successively click on the 2 sites you want to connect. A new dialog opens that requires providing transportation name, time, and cost per kilo for the considered part number. We repeat the operation to define the transportation between repair site and operational site.
For visual considerations, the map can be rearranged by dragging the sites to a new location. Multiple stocks, suppliers or repair sites can be defined in order to provide logistics alternative for optimization. For example, we will define an additional warehouse at repair site location for item subsystem A. For that purpose, we click on the stock icon and then on the repair site. A dialog opens that contains data about the new stock, like the delay, the spare handling cost, and more, that we will review later. Click OK. Now compare the new and the previous stock icons. The original stock is highlighted with a blue square, while the new one is not highlighted. This indicates that this stock is indeed selected and used. In order to get the new stock used in the current logistics configuration, it has to be selected. For that purpose, we open again the stock dialog and check this checkbox. Then OK. The stock is now highlighted. In a similar manner, multiple repair levels can be added. Up to 5 levels can be defined, and for each one there is a different icon: organizational, intermediate, depot, user-defined, and contractor. Let us add, for example, an intermediate level repair shop at supplier site for block subsystem A, and make it selected. After clicking OK, the icon appears in the supplier site, with blue highlight, while the repair shop icon at repair site is not highlighted anymore. We will now look at the different dialog windows that open when a new object is added, or by double-clicking on the object's icon. Double-click on the supplier site icon. The dialog displays data corresponding to the specific part number and supplier. The spare cost of the part number at that specific supplier, the procurement delay or lead time, and the spare supply type. If periodical is selected, the period can be inputted here. Double-click on the stock site icon. Again, the dialog displays data corresponding to the specific part number and stock. The delay time is the time for the stock to make the spare part available. The spares handling cost, the support equipment cost, and the facility cost all relate to a single spare part unit. If the number of spares is known, it can be inputted and set to fixed. The spare supply type can also be set on demand or periodical. Double-click on the repair shop icon. In this dialog, the repair delay, spare supply type and some additional costs are defined. In addition, if restoration tasks and resources have been previously defined, the table below will display the list of available resources at this specific repair shop, and their parameters. Double-click on the removal assembly site icon. This dialog enables the user to define a forward stock. If defined, parameters similar to a regular stock are proposed, except the spare supply type, which is by definition on demand. As a result, the removal assembly icon is also modified. Double-click on the operation site icon. This dialog displays the resources available at operation site in order to perform the inspection tasks. Summary. The maintenance map enables to easily associate the parameters of the maintenance concept to the maintenance logistics. Sites names and quantities. Transportation between sites. Delay to repair, delay to supply spares. Costs of spares, spares handling, and more. Initial spares in each stock. Spare supply mode for stocks and repair sites. Available maintenance resources per site. The displayed maintenance map is interactive and displays the maintenance parameters of the block selected in the grid.
Thank you for your attention.